Any meal that has Italian sausage and pasta in it, I am all for. So today I'm making a one-pan meal. I'm starting off with 1 pound of Italian sausage. It's totally cooked through, so I'm just going to drain some of the fat off of it. Now I'm just going to add some onion and green pepper. I'm just going to saute this until it's al dente. I love garlic, so I'm going to add a great big teaspoon of some minced garlic, and then just let that cook a little bit. I'll add a couple tablespoons of some tomato paste, some tomato sauce, and I'll just let that simmer for a bit. I'm going to add a couple cups of chicken broth, as well as some heavy cream. Give that a stir. For my spices, I added some red pepper flakes, salt and pepper, and Italian seasoning. And I just gave that a stir. So I added a half of the box of penne pasta, but you can add whatever type of pasta you like. And I just gave that a stir, and I let it simmer for about 15 minutes until the pasta was done. I gave this a taste, you guys, and oh my god, it has to be one of the best one-pot dishes I have ever made. I just topped it off with some Parmesan cheese, and my husband said he wanted me to make this again because he just loved it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.